Hello everyone, I welcome you all for the webinar on the topic Manufacturing Plastic Parts in an Easy Manner. For the next 30 minutes, myself Harish from EGS India will be showing you the capabilities and features of SOLIDWORKS Plastics and how it can benefit your organization in adapting new technologies and increasing profits. SolidWorks Plastics is very much helpful for the organization who is into the injection molding setup. Using SolidWorks Plastics, the user can directly visualize the simulation and flow of the melted plastic parts and molds. Injection molding is the most common manufacturing process used to convert the plastic pellets into the molded parts. Injection molding is a complex process and there are a lot of things that they can go wrong. Injection molds are also expensive so that the mistakes can be expensive to fix it up. Since this is fully integrated with the CAD system, the user has full controls over their design and produce quality plastic parts before the manufacturing process. The designer will predict the manufacturing related defects on the parts and molds, and they can eliminate costly mold reworks to improve the part quality. SolidWorks Plastics contains vast material database along with the temperature and pressure curves. The database also contains n number of polymers with various classifications, and the database is also customizable. This slide explains the steps to be followed during the simulation of the plastic parts and delivering the optimized part at the end stage of the design. The draft analysis provides the initial step to find the material flow by providing the necessary draft angle and find the areas to be drafted. Meshing is done to convert your design into the simulation process. By applying the polymer, we can specify the material for the plastic parts. Gate location involves the induction of the melted plastic flow. At the end, by running the analysis, we can review the results and create document for the entire process. Now let's quickly have a small demonstration for a plastic component. I have an example of the top casing part for the smoke detector, which is a plastic part. Now, using the draft analysis, I will specify 1 degree as my draft angle so that I find my easy way to eject the part from the mold. For this plastic material, I have applied PC, that is polycarbonate, since this material has good temperature and impact resistance. The next step is to specify the gate location or the injection location. The user has the facility to specify the gate location at a particular point or use the default settings. Based on the complexity of the part, multiple gate locations can also be used. After running the results, we can review the feasibility in manufacturing the parts. The user can review the results based on animation and also the color plot with the corresponding values. Let's have a look at the fill time plot. For this part, it takes approximately 2 seconds to fill based on the design. Using the cooling time plot, we can review the time taken to cool the part and also find the areas which takes maximum time to cool. The user can directly find the weld lines and air traps in their design. Switching over to the next configuration. Here I have reduced the wall thickness to 1 mm and verifying the filling plot and also the results. Here we can visualize that the part doesn't get fully filled. Using SOLIDWORKS Plastics, we can verify for the family molds also. Based on the real-time conditions, we must ensure that all cavities present must fill at the same time and same pressure. Looking into the benefits of plastics, the user can predict and avoid injection molding manufacturing defects and optimize their plastic parts based on the concept design. They can improve the part quality and eliminate costly mold reworks. With all these aspects, the organization can improvise their profits by reaching the market on time. Going more deeper into the presentation, for mold designers and makers, SolidWorks Plastics provides advanced tools to analyze the cooling line layouts and predict the warpage effects, sink marks, and weld traps. Thank you all for the presentation.